Thank you for joining us for June's Cookbook Corner, where we will be making blackberry and white chocolate muffins from Baking Imperfect by Lottie Bedlow. Today we're going to be using a muffin pan. The recipe calls for a 9 muffin pan. We're going to be using a 12, and we will just be using smaller muffin pans. So be sure you've got either silicone liners or paper liners. We've got our blackberries, our cream cheese, our white chocolate, our very important fats, our milk and our yogurt, 2 eggs, baking powder, and then we will be zesting a lemon. So this is actually pretty simple as far as ingredients go. Our flour and sugar is off to the side, and that's it. You basically need the white chocolate and the blackberries. All right, so we are going to get started on making our muffins. We've done a little mixing off camera to get us started. So you're going to get your flour, your salt, and your baking powder sifted together. And you're going to add your white chocolate chips to this mix. And then you are going to have your eggs, milk, cream cheese, and yogurt in your wet mix bowl. And you are going to take this wet mix bowl and pour that into your dry ingredients. I'm sorry that you guys can't see that. I am right-handed. So we're just going to make sure that we get as much of that wet mixture into our dry mixture as possible. And you are going to add your lemon zest. That we've got. It doesn't look like a lot, I know. So you are going to get that in your mixture, and you are going to add the blueberries, and then you are going to fold that mixture together. You do not want to stir vigorously or you will start to destroy the blackberries. We are going to just break these apart. It does say chop. I did not get them chopped, so we're actually just going to have some big blackberries in our muffins. I am firmly from Arkansas and have picked blackberries numerous times out on the side of the interstate. So for those of you who don't know what folding is, it's literally just rolling your mixture together to combine the ingredients without vigorously stirring anything. And this is definitely a very tight mixture. It is not a liquid batter. And this is an ingredient that you're going to want, or a recipe that you're going to want to let rest. So the instructions say that once you've got it just mixed with no dry flour visible, cover it with saran wrap and let it refrigerate for up to an hour. And then you are going to put it in your baking cups and put it in the oven. So we've let our batter rest in the refrigerator for up to an hour, and we are going to get started filling our cups. And this is quite a full recipe. So you are going to fill your cupcake cups or muffin cups right up to under the lid of the pan on the cup. So pretty full. Normal cupcakes, you typically only fill it about 2/3 of the way. We are going almost all the way. And it is a very stiff batter, so if you have scoops that you use them, but I will say that it might try to stay in your scoop and not want to come out into the muffin pan. Does not want to cooperate. My batter's wanting to stick to everything. Sorry guys. I'm excited about this combo of blackberry and white chocolate. We are gonna actually have enough batter to make all 12. These bake at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So once you have got your muffin batter in your cups, you will just stick those in your preheated oven and unfortunately have to wait for your deliciousness. Our timer has dinged and our muffins are ready to come out of the oven. Just remember we used fresh blackberries, so we are going to have a little bit of quite darkened tops because of the fresh blackberry juices. And here are our blackberry white chocolate muffins. We're so excited you joined us for this month's Cookbook Corner. Today's recipe was blackberry and white chocolate muffins from Baking Imperfect by Lottie Bedlow. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll catch you next month.